Hello, everyone. In this video, we will look at A-B test goals. The goals of an A-B test in Zoho PageSense are fundamentally centered around conversion rate optimization. We want to determine which version of a web page performs best in achieving a specific measurable objective. PageSense allow us to set up various types of goals to track conversions and compare the performance of different variations against the original page. PageSense provides several preset types of goals to measure these actions, with an element click goal to track when a visitor clicks on a specific element. When we click on the hyperlink under the element selector, the web page will load here, and we can select any element we want to track as a goal in this experiment. Next, we have link click goals. With this, we can track a conversion when a visitor clicks on a hyperlink that leads to a different web page. PageSense A/B testing allows us to create more than one goal based on our requirements. Moving on to page view goals, these help us track a complete conversion when a visitor lands on a specific designated URL, such as the home page. Along with this, PageSense also helps us track revenue metrics inside an experiment. This feature helps us measure the revenue generated once a visitor successfully completes a purchase or payment process. To do this, we need to copy the code and add it to our order confirmation page or payment success page. We can either have a static revenue value by providing a static value in PageSense, or we can pass a revenue variable if we want to track the total order value purchased by a visitor. Moving to the time spent on page goal, this helps us record if a visitor stays on the experimental page longer than a specified time threshold. For example, if we set it to 10 seconds, any visitor staying more than 10 seconds will be known as a conversion achiever in this case. We also have something called engagement clicks, which helps us track visitor behavior on the website, including element clicks and form submissions. We just need to provide a name for it. Any clickable action will be considered a conversion for this experiment. Finally, we have custom event. This helps us track a specific event or any page views on our website. This tracks conversions for actions that cannot be tracked using any of the preset goals, typically involving a custom JavaScript event. We just need to provide a name for it and click on the plus icon. This will provide us with the 2-line JavaScript code. Typically, these custom events are used whenever we want to track request completion, scrolling to a specific depth, or even custom video tracking. By tracking these goals, we can determine which variant is the winner, the one that provides a higher conversion rate. With a sufficient level of statistical significance, we can mark any of the goals as the primary goal for this experiment. Based on the primary goal metric and its conversion rate, the winner of the experiment will be declared. That covers A/B testing goals in PageSense. Thank you. Feel free to reach out to our support team for more clarifications.